Welcome to the channel everyone. We're here in Manchester city centre today and it's Mayday, so there's a few things going on. Now we've got the Socialist Party here, aka Young Struggle. We've got some protesters here doing a silent protest. They're a bit older, so we're not going to really bother them. But we'll go around this other side where the Socialist parties are and the Communists. There we go, we've got a nice peaceful protest there. And then on the other side of this dome, and this is the planetarium, a temporary attraction. Into socialism or barbarism, Young Struggle, Manchester.
The ruling class is promoting fascism in order to attack the working class and oppress more strongly. Patriarchy is becoming even more intense and radicalised. Communist revolutionaries and national liberation movements are coming under extreme attacks. We stand on the shoulders of giants and will crush capitalism alongside our comrades. Long live socialism! Long live the 1st of May!
Long live the 1st of May! Long live the 1st of May! No war but class war! Class against class! War on war! Class against class!
So this police officer's dropped this guy off and he started shouting. Tipped all his stuff out on the floor, hasn't he? He's just put his gloves on, so it's like he's ready to have him again. The ape and the apple.
Hey?
The ape and the apple. That pub over there. Ape and the apple. What they have you for?
They have you for? What they get you for? What's on, huh? Put a soundtrack on it for you, yeah?
Back.
Yeah, have a good day. Fuck you. Star of the show. That comes at me.
This one. Mate, he was a bit fucking. Oh yeah, he just spat at them women.
Did he just spit on you?
He spat at these.
But it's straight in and out of crack.
He's getting nicked in, mate.
Muscles.
GMP. So we're just off Piccadilly Gardens. We've got Operation Venture and then one over there. So it looks like they're cleaning the place up a bit, which is good.
Delivers record results against serious violence and knife crime.
Yeah, so they're cracking down on violence and knife crime, aren't they?
Previous body art.
So we're turning on to this side.
Don't mind you filming it, just watch out in the back.
Yeah, I'll stay out your way.
I don't trust
worry.
his driving.
I always stay out your ways, don't worry anyway. What's can I just ask you? It's the first time I've seen the patch, you know, Operation Venture.
Yeah, it's we're knife crime and serious violence,
Right,
basically.
so
That's
basically
our
cleaning the city up.
Yeah, we go everywhere.
Yeah,
We cover the whole of Greater Manchester, basically.
Yeah,
From
brilliant.
sort of Wigan, furthest north to Stockport, furthest south. So we're just around here for the next week or so.
Alright, cool. No. So there you go, you heard it from the officer there. So it's for serious crime, knife crime, things like that, of that nature. So it looks like they're actually really cleaning up the city, which is always a good thing. It's what we need to see more of. And there we go, he's in the van. We've got an incident going on up here, just off Market Street.
Someone in this location wearing a green jacket, grey pants and white trainers said they've been stabbed.
So I've just overheard the police saying someone at this location wearing the same descriptive clothing as that man has been poked. Go and get these vehicles up here. We'll have a look at this. So yeah, we're just about to leave Manchester, and obviously we've got the armed police turn up just down there with a gentleman. Let's get that. Open, hey, open door, get him.
Actually, just wait.
Nah, don't, you're getting shit. They'll literally,
No.
they'll tase you, mate.
Don't open Victoria, الزبة. لا يكونك الباب والله.
So this is the Iraqi consulate, this.
Yeah, so they're after someone who's been stabbed.
Yeah, he just said, I heard him. We're fitting his description, isn't it? So they're over here, the coppers.
Asking to see his phone, to see if he's phoned them by mistake, but then how would they know that it's someone that...
I know. But at least they've responded, they're here, you know, doing the job. So they've ended up lifting this lad. It's nothing to do with him though, I don't think. We'll see. So I don't know what he's done, but I know he was leaning on the van, but that's not enough for arrest. Yeah, I'm not sure what he's done, but I know the officers were here for another reason, but this lad's obviously said something, done something. But we'll see. Joking?
Just joking with Wilson.
Well, you say something, Joe?
Yeah, just joking with speaking.
Got no personality, these guys. So I think they're searching him and that, looking for an excuse, basically. But yeah, that's the Iraqi consulate there, that building. So we've got Market Street just down here. Yeah, get filming it, mate. Hey, film it just in case. Film it just in case they do something.
Video.
Yeah, just in case.
It's no problem, you can, yeah?
No, I mean you.
Khaled, come here. You can zoom and film all you want backwards.
YouTuber etiquette, mate. Distance.
I told him film it, it's your mate, you know what I mean? Film it just in case.
Yeah,
You know.
obviously.
You know what the police can get like. You just seen it then.
Well, I mean, yeah, I didn't really see him say anything.
I didn't.
Nothing worth getting arrested for, anyway. I think they'll just take his details and send them over there.
They're searching him, innit? That one's going now. What's on there? Oh, he's parking up. Just getting out of the way.
Well, he wanted a picture. He's got one now.
Is that what he was joking? What is that what he said? Or what
But
picture?
at first he was
right,
posing with the
yeah.
van, wasn't he? He just started chilling in front of it and got a picture with it.
Oh, he's a happy lad, man. He's not done out wrong.
Yeah, I don't think he's done it wrong.
Look, they're having a laugh.
Free my brother. Free my brother. Free my bro. Free my bro.
Free my guy.
Yeah, I don't think much is going to happen with this.
Yeah, I know. It's just optics at this point, isn't it?
my picture when I was in prison.
No prison.
I think I defend myself.
I'd defend myself, but there's cameras. That's what he said, I think.
Yeah, I don't think anything's going to happen if it does.
Hey, you notice that on the car? Like, hey, the what's the badge there?
The Astra.
VW. Oh, the VW badge, it lights up red, you know, with the lights. It's gone off now. I just noticed then.
Convenient that it's gone off now.
I know.
I think you just chat shit, mate. Trying to big up something on your channel, isn't it?
It happened. They'll see it on my video earlier.
There you go, guys. If you want to see that VW light up red, abandoned landscapes, get it subbed. Alright, back to the theatrics.
Now it's going to happen unless he's wanted, but he's not acting like he is.
No, he seems chill. He didn't really do anything wrong, so I can't see why he'd get locked up.
What did he actually say?
I don't think he said anything, to be honest.
He said something. He said he was only joking. He said he was only joking.
Yeah,
So he said something. I know.
Like, if I heard it, I'd have been like, whoa.
Is he on his knees now?
I was talking with the police.
Yeah.
Well, they got him in handcuffs as well. I didn't even notice
Put
that.
the cuffs on straight away.
I didn't say fucking thing. I didn't say thing. I said, yo, what's good?
He starts swearing and shouting. He's gonna get arrested. And taking
It's quite annoying, to be fair, when you think about it. Like,
freedom of speech. Hey, they were taking his picture now, man.
yeah.
Yeah, these are all the armed police as well, armed response.
That's.
Prison?
I started a new video, but.
Yo, it's back with you.
Yeah.
Look.
Try and look cool.
This guy.
Hey.
It's fucking bad luck.
Huh?
Try and look cool. No, I don't need to be a dickhead. Thumbnail, yeah, you know what I mean?
Not you. Yo, not like this. I did not touch your hand. Hey, Rocky, got some gel. I'm good.
What did you say? What did you say?
I didn't say fucking nothing, just put his fucking pussy.
Yeah.
He seemed pretty chill throughout.